Yeah, what's good, my people? This is the update so far on the signal chat this week. Just thought I'll do something a little different, just drop a video midweek so everybody can see how the week is going instead of just doing it every week. So yeah, on Monday I actually dropped a signal on GJ. I was looking for shorts, but unfortunately I got taken out. It is what it is with that one, but obviously we come back stronger. Very next day I had two banging setups, as you can see. I called two signals. One on GJ was to buy, nice risk to reward. One is a 3, beautiful level into Jejely. Price took off, hit the TP, and obviously gold just took off on a whole nother level. It was actually so crazy. But yeah, this is actually what's been happening so far this week. I'm also just going to do another quick breakdown on another setup I have right now. We're just going to quickly check some things out. So yeah, this is the gold trade actually. This is gold before, when the signal was actually sent out. I was looking at a nice 1:4, as you can see. And today, like gold, it literally took all the way off. This is now running in deep profits. Like this entry was around here. Right now we're looking at a 1:10. I do have this trade still running, by the way, my people. So yeah, this is gold's trade. It's actually running beautifully. Not gonna lie, not gonna complain. And as you can see here, we have it right now. Can't show it a lot size on that, but yeah, this is gold. It's going beautiful. And secondly, we had our second trade setup, which was GJ. So this is the setup here for GJ. What I was looking for GJ was actually a double bottom, like I was saying to the team up here. I was saying, yeah, what I'm looking for is a double bottom. And yeah, right after GJ, we came above here. So now we'll just quickly check GJ out, see what that's saying. Boom. So yeah, as you can see, this is the trade. If you go into the lower time frame, what I was looking for actually played out. So yeah, as you can see here, we got it. It's happening right there. Price was descending. We had first touch, second touch, third touch, double bottom. Price shot to the upside. A nice 1:3. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The first half of this video, my people. Second half, we're gonna do a quick live market analysis right now and see if we can find any other sellers for the rest of the week. It is only Wednesday, so hopefully we can actually bag in another trade and all that kind of stuff. Yeah. One thing you guys should be doing as traders is reading. Make sure you read. It's good for the mind. It just, makes you disconnect from everything. Especially like if you're always too focused on the charts and everything like that. Reading is a good way to just step out of that zone, tap into a new level, So right now, this is what I'm working with. I'm working with the art of war. But yeah, like I said, my people, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna hop in the charts and just check out maybe one quick setup that I have lined up for the rest of the week and just see how that goes. Right now we're looking at GBPCAD, my people. So what we can see is currently happening is that we actually have a break of structure right over here. So what we can do is we can understand that price should actually be bearish for the time being. As you can see up here, we have our ascending trend line as well. We've got the impulse, the correction with the trend, as you can see. So we do have a high chance of seeing price actually drop down towards these lows over here, as you can see. So yeah, right now we have a potential of either price coming back up to fill this gap here of this bearish candle to continue pushing towards the downside, which is our first scenario from taking a look here on the daily time frame. Our second scenario would be if price actually does push up a little bit further towards the upside, like so. So we can have a nice head and shoulders. We've got the left shoulder head and the right shoulder should be forming soon on our chart. So even if we jump into the 4-hour time frame, what we can clearly see right now is that, yeah, here we are, price made higher high, higher low, higher high. We broke below this level. We have a break of structure over here. So the buying setups we have now should no longer be valid. we should now be looking to sell the market, my people. So if we're looking to sell the market, obviously we should be looking for bearish patterns, you know, bearish signs inside the market, which would be head and shoulders, rising wedge like so, you know, break and retest towards the downside. So right now what we currently have in the market is that we could expect price to either retrace back towards these levels over here. This is our first scenario where price comes back to retest here, and then we take price towards our take profits towards the downside like so. We enter around this level, boom. We always look for 1:3. This could be one perfect scenario of our trade. Or the second thing we can expect is actually price may actually push towards the upside like so. As we have an impulse correction, impulse will catch price for sales above here and we'll push it towards the downside. But yeah, my people, that's literally it. Hope you enjoyed the video so far. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let there be peace in the Middle East, and that my brothers and sisters be safe.